Okay, hello ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good
How are you?
evening. How are you? Why? I'm fantastic. How are you?
Yes, I am also good, fantastic, fabulous,
Wow.
and amazing today. Actually, because
And I'm
you have to start a new pattern. That's
yeah,
why I am excited to
right.
uh, being a to participate this session and being a part of this session.
Oh, great, great. I am also delighted to having you here. Really, man, fantastic. You are the like you have courage to face this session. Really, it's good because it is little bit not. I would say that it is hard, but it takes time to tune
Right,
in, right?
right,
And this pattern is very essential for the fluency. I am also talking about to my audience same thing that I have made this video like yesterday, and this is very nice video. If the person is want to get fluent in this language for the and they want to good at grammar, both things can be enhanced if the person participate this thing with me. Definitely it's challenge, and I this is new pattern to get fluency. So that's the reason I thought it is a should bring new activity for the audience and for myself also, and who want to practice with me, he or she can message me. I will write the phone number and WhatsApp group on my WhatsApp can be message me if anyone want to participate in this activity, because this is very nice activity for the fluency. And I did show that definitely a person who participate this for a month or 2 months regularly, definitely a person get fluency, and in grammar part also going to be good in the good without any error. So
right, ma'am.
it is
Actually,
very
I
nice activity. That's the reason last previous video, there was Abhita ma'am. She participated very happily and she want to more and more practice with me because due to her there is their child's examination. That's the reason she could not be able to today join. And you also good hustler person. You said me that I want to participate this session. It's really good, and I also did it practice same practice I did a lot for my fluency, and I good get good command because of this type of sessions. When I followed this session, really it's amazing session. That's the reason I bring this activity for my audience, for that if any person struggling hard, and even though they are not getting fluency, but this is the best way to get fluent. So that's the reason I bring it here for everyone, for every learner. So let's start, ma'am. It is little bit hard for you because you are from Odia,
yes,
and
right.
this is your regional language is Odia. Your
Yes,
language, native language is Hindi. No, your
yes,
native language is not Hindi. Your native language is Odia. Little bit hard, but I appreciate your courage and your curiosity about this language daily. You expect to expect to participate in this session. Really, it's great thing. And
yes,
like
ma'am.
you,
It's my pleasure and inviting me in your channel, and I also ameliorate my English speaking skill. So that's why I think yes, I will do. Anyhow, I don't know. It is how can I do, but I will try my
no, no,
best.
you can do it slowly or no matter. But think
Yes,
that when the person start this journey, initially every person speaks slowly, slowly, but then get habitual. They can immediate without any thinking. They answered
right, right,
because I had this session, follow this session so many times for my fluency. And I also, when I started this, initially I could not be able to speak with the session. But
right,
after then, when I speak, without stopping myself. So
right,
our mind, without any pressure, automatically it works. There is no pressure and automatically works. Then the time when we speak, then our mind start studied repeatedly. So
right,
that's the reason when this repetition जो है ना, वो फ्लुएंसी का काम करती है. जब हमारा
right,
दिमाग तेजी से काम करेगा तो नेचुरली हम बोलेंगे भी जल्दी जल्दी. तो ये
right,
फ्लुएंसी का काम करती है. तो इसलिए ये सेशन बड़ा एक I would like to say that this is a boon for the learner who is struggling for the fluency. So
right.
this is the thing then. Okay. Okay, I will know. I know that it will take time for yourself for your side because this is the Hindi. No matter, but I know you can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Know
Thank you.
your. I know your
Thank you
guts.
for your
Okay.
appreciation.
I will give you little sentences, not tough sentences. If there's any tough, no matter. You take your own time. Speak to speak. No matters.
Right, ma'am.
कल मैं ऑफिस गया.
Yesterday I went office. Yes.
तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे?
Oh, where did you go?
तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे?
तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where where did you go? I think.
This is the past continuous sentences. Okay, now you can make.
Okay. Where were you
Yeah,
going? Yes.
yeah, yes.
Yes. That is
This is the thing. इससे हमारी ग्रामर तो अच्छी होगी होगी हमारी फ्लुएंसी भी अच्छी होगी. देखो एकदम पकड़ लिया
right.
ना.
Yes,
जब
right.
these problems we always face when we speak. What happened, is की जगह आर बोल देते हैं, वर बोल देते हैं, डिड बोल देते हैं. तो ये इस पैटर्न से आपका ये भी ठीक हो जाएगा. दिस
Right,
आल्सो
right.
बी रेक्टिफाइड
Hmm.
ऑटोमेटिकली.
Right.
सो नेक्स्ट, मैं 2 घंटे से कुछ लिख रहा हूँ.
Yes. I have been writing something since 2 hours or for 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
For
Yes.
ओके,
Right.
नाइस.
Yes.
मैं 10 मिनट पहले कमरे में था.
I was in the room 10 minutes before.
तुम कहाँ थे?
Where are you? Where are you?
तुम
Where
कहाँ
were
थे?
you? Where were you?
वेयर वर यू? ठीक.
Yes. Where were
तुम
you?
तुम
तुम कहाँ
उसको
थे?
जानते हो? तुम उसको जानते हो?
Do you know him?
Do you know him? आपकी
Yeah.
तो अच्छी है ग्रामर. ओके. मुझे नहीं पता तुम कहाँ थे.
I don't know where were you.
अरे सुनो, मेरा कमरा साफ कर दो.
Hey, listen, you clean my room.
ओके. तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो?
Mm, what are you doing now? Not like this. क्या करने जा रहे हो? Yes. Yes. What are you doing now?
तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो? What are you going to do?
Okay. What are you going to do? Right.
तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
What uh, what you have, I think. What
तुम्हारे
you
पास क्या है? What do you have?
what do you have? Right.
कुछ कुछ दिनों से ये मोबाइल मेरे पास है।
Yes.
कुछ दिनों से ये मोबाइल मेरे पास है।
This mobile is with me for some days.
I have had this mobile for some day. I have
Okay.
had, पहले से ही मोबाइल मेरे हाथ
Yes,
में
yes,
है।
yes.
I have had this mobile for
For
some day.
some days. Yes. I have
या
had
few,
this mobile for some days.
one
Right.
day, few day कुछ भी लग सकता है।
Yes.
2 साल से रजनी अपने कमरे में है।
Rajni has been in the room for 2 years.
Very nice.
Yes.
वह सुबह से खाना पका रही है।
She is preparing food. Uh, she has been preparing food since morning.
Since morning. Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
आप कहते मुझे आपको तो बहुत अच्छा आता है।
No, no, not like that. Just a language. Just something problem.
मैं नहीं जानता कि वो मुझे जानता है या नहीं।
I don't know whether she is knowing me or not.
नोइंग मी भी आ जाएगा, हाँ, नोज भी आ जाएगा, दोनों आएगा। वेदर ही नोज मी और नॉट, जानता
Yes.
है कि नहीं जानता है, तो जानता है के लिए एस सी एस ही लगेगा। तो आई
Okay.
डोंट नो वेदर ही और शी, ही और शी जो भी है, ही नोज मी और नॉट।
Or not.
नॉट।
If I continue, then ing knowing me or not. Yes. Yes.
तुम क्या करते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
रोज तुम क्या करते हो?
What do you do always? Yes.
एवरी डे या ऑलवेज? क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया?
Do you uh, have food? Do you have
खाना
had your food or
खाना
lunch?
लिया, खाना खा लिया। डिड यू हैव योर फूड?
Okay. Did you have your food?
फूड।
Yes. Did.
डिड आई?
Yes. Past. खा लिया.
खाना खा लिया है। क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया है? तो हैव यू ईटन योर फूड, हैव यू टेकन योर मील, है ना।
Yes. Right.
बट वो अगर खाना खा लिया तो वे प्रेजेंट पास्ट इंडिपेंडेंट, तो देन डिड लगेगा ना। डिड।
Yes. Did.
डिड।
Yes.
डिड के
Did you
साथ
have your food?
या डिड यू हैव योर फूड? कल वो तुम्हारे घर आया था।
Yesterday uh, he he was coming to your home yesterday.
आया था, जैसे नो रहा रही, नो इंडिपेंडेंट पास्ट।
Okay, okay. Yesterday he came to your home.
Yes,
Yes,
very nice.
that's the thing. Yes.
Complete. I actually very less sentence I have taken because it is a new session. When the
No, no,
person get
actually, if you cooperate me, then I can understand and we continue. Actually, I also enjoy a lot this journey. So,
this is
as
new
you said, it
yes,
is very helpful, fruitful for learning this language.
yes, yes,
And I also faced while making a question. So,
yeah,
in this way, I can get fluency. Yes,
yeah.
right.
That's the reason I brought this thing. And when we speak, what happened? Our mind starting racing.
Yes, yes,
दिमाग
right.
काम करता है, तो उससे जो माइंड की मसल्स काम करती हैं, तब हमारे को ऐसे कुछ भी हम लर्न करेंगे तो माइंड एक्टिव होता ही है। दिन में
Right.
आपने आधा घंटा एक्टिव कर लिया है इस तरह के सेशन से, देन व्हाट हैपेंड, देन व्हाटएवर यू गो टू लर्न, इमीडिएटली इट रिस्पॉन्स्ड।
Yes, response. Yes,
This kind of session is always very essential for the learner because it is like an exercise for the mind.
yes,
Muscles
but
for
yes, I totally resonate with you because earlier I thought it is only translation, but it is daily basis we are using these sentences. So while speaking, it is very useful.
it's
I
useful It's good for the grammar as well. It is by this practicing we get fluent in, because when we speak
Right,
English, now you are speaking little while, next day you will speak more good way,
right,
but you will speak very fluently, and 5th day आप कहोगे आप मुझे दे दो मैं पूछती हूँ आपसे.
right. I am waiting.
Okay, okay. We both will do. We both will do, definitely. I also try like this, because I have also, because I tried a lot, but before, when I was in my learning session.
Yes, you
But
already.
definitely, one time do, you will do, and next time I will do.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually.
And anyhow, this is very short session, but very fruitful. Okay. And second thing, uh, I am I am going to write down my WhatsApp number, and if anybody interested to participate like this session, so just message me. And if you have any co-learners, so you just ask them for the participation, because it is good exercise for everyone. So
Right, it is quite interesting, ma'am.
yeah,
Actually, initially before joining, I was also felt feeling hesitate to how can I speak, but it's okay. It is the one type of practice and part of learning, I can say. So everyone should join this. So when we join, we know about this
yeah.
how it is working.
Yes. Absolutely right, ma'am. That's the reason. So, okay, ma'am. Thanks again for joining me and giving me your support for starting my new pattern. So,
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's my pleasure, and I always with you.
I'm always welcome you, ma'am.
Yes.
You're such a nice and sporting person. Really, I appreciate your behavior. Like you are so generous person. Really, every time you always support me for my process, my commercial video as well, and you always help me, support me, and really, I appreciate your behavior and whatsoever you have got. The by God grace, you get the good heart also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You may make my day today, and it is also we can say win-win thing because win-win because I am also learning, and you are also, it is benefit for me. So it's
I am
great.
also try. I'm also going to try, ma'am. Otherwise,
Yes,
how I make my practice?
right.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.